So today I'm going to try to accomplish reorganizing this small closet and trying to utilize this space a lot better. As you can see, I have a bunch of random stuff right there. I have a crock pot, some gloves, some baby wipes, some hand soap, some just random cleaning stuff and peroxide, pictures that probably should go on the wall, just stuff stuck in this little section right here. Just random stuff in this little bin right here. Some rug tape that I have not used to keep my rugs from sliding. A warmer that doesn't work anymore. More warmer pieces. Duct tape. A little baseball, or Astros. Up here I have a cake stand and just a random little bin with stuff in it that I just need to organize. Okay, so let's see what we can get done with this closet right here. So here's a look at everything that came out of that closet. It's a bunch of random things, Halloween, just a bunch of everything. Crock pot. Let's see. But we're gonna get this cleaned up today. Yes, yes. This is when homeschooling organization goes absolutely wrong. So who all went to the store once the stay-at-home order said the kids was gonna be out of school? Buy everything that you can find, but now look. Oh God, oh my God. Okay, so now I've gotten everything out of the closet. I'm just gonna go through and clean and wipe down all the shelves and try to get whatever this black stuff is. I don't know how good you can see it. I'm trying to get all of that wiped down on the shelves.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you, I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind, go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life, was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie.
Okay guys, here's the final result of my closet and declutter organization. I used what I had at home with the exception of the shoe boxes I got from Target for 99¢. Everything is organized to where I can find it. My kids' school items, cleaning supplies, little lunch bags. Everything has a location and that works for me. I thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.